For centuries, medicine evolved slowly, from herbal remedies to antibiotics, from microscopes to imaging scanners. But now we stand at the threshold of something different, the fusion of human biology with artificial intelligence. This is not just incremental change. It is a potential leap, one that could redefine how we diagnose, treat, and maybe even prevent disease altogether. In this documentary, we'll traverse breakthroughs, successes, pitfalls, and ask, can AI help us win the war on disease? Every patient, every treatment, every outcome generates data. EHRs, electronic health records, imaging scans, genomics, wearable sensors, the volume is staggering. And human clinicians can only process so much. AI enters here, promising to sift, sort, learn. Academic reviews show the rising tide. Generative AI, large language models, LLMs, multimodal models that combine text, images, structured data are entering medicine in force. Department of Medicine, +3 Biomed, Central +3, SpringerLink, +3. For example, a 2025 review in European Journal of Medical Research describes how AI is improving diagnostics, treatment planning, and healthcare efficiency worldwide. Biomed Central. But not everything is rosy. A 2024 study found that doctors using GPT-4 as a diagnostic aid did not significantly outperform conventional resources. ScienceDaily. In short, the tools are powerful, but the ecosystem isn't yet optimized. Diagnosis is the first critical step in healthcare. Missed diagnoses mean lost lives. AI is already proving its worth. Generative AI and imaging-based models can detect disease earlier and sometimes more accurately than humans. A 2024 review on precision medicine using generative AI highlights how synthetic data, imaging analysis, and personalized risk models are changing the game. SpringerLink. In the real world, in 2025, an AI-powered stethoscope developed at Imperial College London diagnosed heart valve disease, atrial fibrillation, and heart failure in seconds. Patients were twice as likely to receive an accurate diagnosis. The Guardian. And in India, health departments are developing mobile AI apps for early breast cancer detection in rural areas. The Times of India, yet caveats remain. A JAMA Summit report warns that many AI tools lack rigorous validation, legal accountability is murky, and the real world is messier than lab conditions. JAMA Network. Nevertheless, AI is rapidly entering frontline diagnosis. Treating disease means more than diagnosing it. You must find or design treatments. Traditional drug discovery takes 10-15 years, billions of dollars. AI is compressing that timeline. Recent articles show AI models generating synthetic medical data, aiding trial design, stratifying patients, predicting outcomes. Arxiv. Furthermore, partnerships between biotech firms and large pharma underscore this shift. For example, in 2025, US biotech Nabla Bio expanded an AI-driven drug design partnership with Japan's Takeda, using an AI platform to design antibodies with rapid turnaround. Reuters. And a 2025 market report projects that the global AI and healthcare market will grow from USD 21.66 billion in 2025 to 110.61 billion by 2030. Globe Newswire. The message: AI is not just a diagnostic tool, it's reshaping how we invent medicine. The holy grail of medicine is prevention, catching disease before it starts. AI unlocks that. By analyzing genomic profiles, wearables, lifestyle data, and environmental factors, AI can stratify risk, tailor prevention, and even create digital twins of patients. In a 2025 Harvard Gazette article, experts compare AI's impact to the Human Genome Project or the rise of the Internet. Doctor-patient interactions, workflow, research, and education will all shift. Harvard Gazette. But what about equity? A 2025 review in Frontiers in AI warns that AI in healthcare may exacerbate disparities if not deployed responsibly. Frontiers. And on the ground, a Stanford team in late 2024 used a large language model to review 16,000 medical records of children with ADHD, detecting care gaps that manual review missed. Stanford report, the future? From reactive medicine to predictive, proactive care, technology alone doesn't change outcomes. Systems do. AI in medicine faces hurdles: regulation, liability, data governance, clinician training. According to a 2025 Stanford HAI AI Index report, Science and Medicine chapter, major advances are happening, yet many tools lack real-world evaluation or transparency. A Guardian article, October 2025, warns that increasing AI use in healthcare complicates legal accountability when things go wrong. Meanwhile, a 2024 review in the Annals of Medicine Surgery discusses diagnostic AI success but highlights ethical dilemmas, data bias, and lack of infrastructure. Health professionals are stressed. A 2025 Reuters piece describes training programs to fill the AI skills gap. In short, the tools are ready, but the system must catch up. Could AI end disease? Perhaps not entirely, but it may radically change how we fight it. Review studies show AI's promise in image analysis, predictive models, synthetic data generation for research. SpringerLink. But we must temper expectations. A 2025 Scientific American article notes that while AI can accelerate diagnosis and drug discovery, full transformation will take time. Scientific American real-world deployment matters. A 2025 article from Georgia Tech warns change won't happen overnight. News.gatech.edu. The bottom line: AI offers extraordinary potential, yet disease elimination depends not only on technology, but on access, equity, social determinants, and global cooperation. Medicine is evolving, not just with new drugs, but with intelligence. Artificial intelligence. The machines we build will not replace doctors or healers. They will amplify them. They will not replace humanity. They will protect it. In this era, victory over disease may not mean no illness, but fewer deaths, earlier interventions, personalized care, and a more resilient health system. The revolution is already beginning. Will we shape it wisely? Will we ensure it serves everyone? The answer will define the human future. Thank you for joining The Life Lens. Stay curious, stay informed. The future of medicine is not only artificial, it's deeply human.